Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute and unmute chats on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now select your contact and press on three dots. Now here you can see the option of mute notifications. Click on this. Now select your time, press on OK. So this is how to mute chats on WhatsApp. If you want to unmute these chats, you just have to press your three dots. Click on unmute notifications. That's it. So this is how to mute and unmute chats on WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.